In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Xero fiscal year end date. This is really useful if your business has changed its reporting period, or if you've just started with Xero and need to match the software to the official year end used for your tax and statutory accounts. Before you make any changes, it's always a good idea to double check the correct year end with your accountant or local tax authority, because this setting affects how your reports and comparatives are calculated. First, make sure you're logged into your Xero organization and that you have the right level of access to change accounting settings. Only users with the appropriate permissions will be able to adjust the financial year. From your Xero dashboard, look towards the top of the screen and click on the Accounting menu. This is where you'll find most of the tools related to your day-to-day bookkeeping and your organization's key financial setup. Once the Accounting menu is open, choose Accounting Settings. This takes you to a page that controls how your organization is configured in Xero, including things like your chart of accounts and core financial preferences. On the Accounting Settings page, look for the option labeled Financial Settings. Click on that. This section is specifically where Xero stores information about your financial year, tax settings, and other high-level configuration that underpins your reports. Inside Financial Settings, you'll see your current financial year and details. To update these, find the option next to the year-end date that says Change and click it. Xero will then allow you to adjust the financial year end. Carefully select the new day and month that match your official fiscal year end. Take a moment here to confirm that the date aligns with your legal or tax requirements, because changing this can affect how profit and loss and balance sheet reports are shown across different periods. When you're happy with the new year end date, scroll down if needed and click Save. This is the crucial step that actually applies your changes to the organization. After saving, Xero will update the way your financial year is structured for reporting purposes going forward. To double check everything, you can return to the Financial Settings page to confirm the new year end is showing correctly, and then run a quick profit and loss report across your current financial year to ensure the dates look right.